The jungle hums a mournful tune, shadows creep beneath the moon. For lost souls, their debts to pay, carrying dynamite through decay. The road ahead, a serpent spine, each step whispers, not this time. Rain and sweat, the air so thick, the fuse of fate a candle's wick. Through the mud, the dark, the pain, sorcerer calls their names in vain. Dreams unravel, threads undone in the jungle. No one outruns the sun. A truck of death, a fragile load, on the edge of madness they goad. Hope is distant, faith is frayed, hearts of men so cheaply weighed. The bridge creaks like a dying breath, suspended o'er the maw of death. Eyes betray the fear within, where does redemption truly begin? Through the mud, the dark, the pain, sorcerer calls their names in vain. Dreams unravel, threads undone in the jungle. No one outruns the sun. A promise made, a curse fulfilled. Oil-stained hands, blood is spilled. Greed and guilt, the devil's kin. What lies beyond when the journey ends? The engine groans, the tires scream. Life becomes a fevered dream. Silent roads, the ghosts remain, each man bound to his own chain. The jungle watches cold and still. It takes no sides, it bends no will. Freakin's lends a brutal prayer, a hymn of men who met despair. Through the mud, the dark, the pain, sorcerer calls their names in vain. Dreams unravel, threads undone in the jungle. No one outruns the sun. So light a match, watch it burn. To the jungle all return. Freakin's tale, a song of strife, echoes of the jungle, echoes of life.